Oh. He's only 4 years old. Oh, Peter. Oh, check that. We're going with Darla Cruz. Darla Cruz. Hold on, Darla. Hold on, Darla. Go ahead. Oh, let her rip. Come on, Rick. Come on, Rick. We're going to the top 80s. Oh, 51 points. We're good. We're starting. Neskovich off and running. Not an ideal situation where the steer cuts in front of me. Too many legs get wrapped up in the field, and unfortunately for Matt, that's going to be no time. Let's go! Long reach to get jump. Flash down the fish. Get that steer, get around, grab the nose, and lay it down. Slapping our hand. Off and running, catching up, making jump. Kills it. Oh! Almost slid right up in the freeway. Tough luck, and in no time, it was bring that steer back. Here's James. Come on, get it. Oh! Who's wrestling who? Get to the feet. Oh, come on, it's way too quiet. Oh! Gotta roll it into you. Here we go, come on. Yeah, that'll work. Here's the better man. Yeah. Show the state man what California goes all about. Here's home. Not today. Let's get out and ride one. Oh! Negatory. Here we go. Oh! Tito's has done. That's where Brinson gets his mail. Oh! Oh, he was wanting to be fast, but unfortunately, at no time is all they're getting today. It's a year, 8 seconds at a time from the Born to Buck program. There's a lot of confused individuals that believe that these animals are forced to buck, and that is simply not the case. The best way that I found to describe it is the same way that running horses are bred to run, and jumping horses are bred to jump. These horses are bred to buck. So out of the nearly 3/4 of a century that the Rosser family has been dedicated not only to putting on Western events, but to breeding these incredible animals, how about a big round of applause for the true superstars of our Western sport of rodeo, our animal athletes. Come on, everybody. It's a horrible idea. Yeah, baby. A little bit longer than what we were hoping for, but it's good with a time of 3.8 seconds for Sunday, 3 and 8. How fast can we be? Right there, get some time. Going to the lead, 3.7 seconds. Let's ride one. Into his hand, out of the way. Hold on, Gavin, hold on. Oh, good. Slam dunk. The cowboy was... Whoa, get out of there. No score, but he can walk away on his own accord. Oh, knocked down one barrel, but she's still running. Friends, she's not quitting us. Let's not quit her. 21 and 2-1, including the 5-second penalty. Little one on the first one, tightened up in between 1 and 2. Keep it up, yeah. If you're having fun on a Saturday, let me hear you. 16-42, 16 and 42 for Hadley.